Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to see how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's get started. So, we have basic alphabets in Rubik's Cube. They are R, right, left, up, down, front, back. And right is nothing but taking the right part. Take your right hand, hold the cube like this, and which is on the right side, move that, okay? And taking that up is right, and taking that down is right inverse. And left is, up is taking the up part of the cube, this one, and rotating towards the left hand. Towards the left hand is up, and rotating towards your right hand is up inverse, and front is taking the front part, and this is the front for you and this is the front for me. I'll do it according to mine. And front is rotating the cube towards your right hand, and front inverse is rotating the cube towards your left hand. And now let's see left, down and back. Left is nothing but take the left part of the cube opposite to right and rotate it downwards. Rotating downwards is left, and left inverse is rotating upwards. And down is opposite to the up, taking the down part. Okay, this is the down. And down is taking the down part and rotating it towards your right hand, and down inverse is rotating it to your left hand. Note this down, these are important. And back is rotating it towards, back is take the opposite to front, and this is my back, and rotating it towards your left hand is back, and rotating it towards your right hand is back inverse. So now let's get started, and there are many formulas, please remember that, okay? And keep practicing the basic things for the Rubik's Cube, and that is right, left, up, down, front, back. Keep practicing that, okay? Now let's go start solving the white cross. Okay, now I am going to start. So we have to keep the white, okay? So this is my white, and with the center cube we have to judge what color is that this full is for. So this is for white and this is for blue, because the center cube is blue, so it is for blue. And this is for yellow, because the center cube is in yellow color, so it is in yellow. And like that we have to check. So I'll take the white and have to keep it at the top. White at the top. So I'll start with orange, okay? The side. I'll start with this. So I'm going to search for orange and white cubes. Where is orange and white? Yeah, I found it. It's over here. So orange and white both have to be in a single cube, and only two colors should be in the cube, not more than two. Okay, so I'll match it with the orange color. So I matched it like this. So I matched it with the orange color, and I'll do front, okay? So I got it up. So I got one piece in the white and one piece in the orange. So now I'll start doing for blue. So where's blue and white? It's over here again. So I'll match it with the blue. Then I'll pull it upwards, and I got orange, blue matched. Now I'll do red. So I'll match. So already the red is matched. Look, white at the bottom and matched. I'll do front, and red is also matched. So now I'll do with green. So green is also matched because green and white. So I'll have to bring it over here. So what will I do? I'll do just this one. So I bought it over here. Okay. And so in some cases, what will happen is like, I got green and white over here and green over here. I want the green to be here and white to be here. So in that case, what I will do is like, I'll keep that in the front, and you should keep it in the front and turn it towards your left. Okay, turn it towards your left and apply this formula. And that is R inverse U, F inverse U. And both were inverted. So I got it correctly. So I got the plus also and the colors matched also. So next we'll start solving the corners because I got plus. So after plus, what is our main aim is to just get the corner cubes. So I'll search for 3 color cubes. Okay, 3 color cubes with white. Okay, with white in it. So I got 1 cube over here. So blue, red and white. These 3 colors are in this cube. So I'll keep the white towards facing the up, and in this blue and red are there, right? So where is blue over here? Blue is over here and red is over here. So middle is over here. So I'll bring the cube over here. So blue is over here, red is over here, and I bought the cube in middle of blue and red. Okay, I bought it over there. Then the white is in the side of this side. Okay, white is in side. So what I'll do? Definitely I'll take the side formula. That is R inverse D inverse R. So I bought the red and white over here. Now I'll search for another cube. Okay. Now I got orange and blue. I'll keep it in between orange and blue, and it's in the front. It's in front of me, so I'll do the front formula. D inverse R inverse D R. So I also matched that also. So I got 1 more cube, that is red and green. So I'll keep it in between red and green. I'll do the formula. And it is in the side, so I'll do the side formula. R inverse D inverse R. I matched that also. And I have remaining 1 cube to do. And that is green and orange. Okay. I'll keep it in between green and orange, and it's in the side. So definitely I'll do the side formula and I will do it. R inverse D inverse R. So I got it, and there's 1 more cube remaining, and that is blue and red and white. So blue and red and white. So I'll keep it between blue and red, and it's in front. So I'll do the front formula. D inverse R inverse D R. So I got the white. Now we finished doing the white. Now we'll go to the second layer. So I'll keep the white upside down. I'll keep it facing the down. So now our aim is to match every second layer colors. Same colors have to come here. So what I will do is like, I will match the colors. In this step, we have to ignore yellow. We have to ignore yellow. We have to never mind yellow. Okay, now I'll start. So I'll take 1 particular cube containing only 2 colors. So I got green and orange. Green and orange. So I'll match it with green. In this place, green should come, not blue. So I can't move this part. I can only move this part. So I'll move this one. And I matched it with green. And this side I'm having red, and this side I'm having orange. So this have to go here, and that is right side for me. This orange is over here, and this this have to go over here. So that's right side for me. So I'll do the right formula given over here. So that is up, right, up inverse, right inverse, up inverse, front inverse, up, front. So I got it. Look, green is over here, orange is over here. Now we'll take another color. Okay, now I'll take red and green. So I'll match it with red. We can't move this, so I'll match it with red. And this one should go, I matched it with red. This one have to go in this side. So I'll keep it facing me, and for me it's right side. So this one have to go here. For me it is right side. So I'll do the right formula. Up, right, up inverse, right inverse, up inverse, front inverse, up, front. So I got it. Look. Now you might ask me, why are you not taking these cubes? I have to ignore yellow. As I said before, I have to ignore yellow, so I am not taking those cubes. Now I'll take this one. So no yellow color is there. I'll match it with blue. Okay, I matched it with blue, and this have to go this side. So here only orange is there. This contains orange, so this have to go that side, and that is left side for me. So I'll do the left formula. Up inverse, left inverse, up, left, up, front, up. Okay, I got it right. Now all side is having yellow. Look, here it's yellow, here it's yellow. Every side it's yellow. I have only one option. I have to bring this cube over here. So what I will do is I'll do the right formula to bring this cube in the top up layer. So I'll do the right formula to get that. So I'll keep it in the front and I'll do the right formula. Up, right, up inverse, right inverse, up inverse, front inverse, up, front. So I got it right. Now I got this blue and red over here. So I'll match it with blue, and this have to go over here. So it is right side for me. So I'll do the right formula. Up, right, up inverse, right inverse, up inverse, front inverse, up, front. So we got the second layer done. Look, all the colors are matched. Now as we finish the second layer, we'll move on to the third layer. It's the yellow layer. So we have to keep the yellow on the top, and I got it like this. So if there's an L, I have to keep it towards the right side. L's ending has to be towards the right side, and I have to do this formula. F, U, R, U inverse, R inverse, F inverse. So now I got the plus. Okay. And in the plus state, I got a small fish. I got small fish, and I have to keep the small fish by feeding the left hand should feed the small fish. So I kept it like that, and I'll do plus formula. That is R, U, R inverse, U, R, U, U, R inverse. Again I got the small fish. I'll keep it. I'll feed with the left hand, and I'll do it. R, U, R inverse, U, R, U, U, R inverse. We finished the yellow layer. Congratulations for doing that. Now we finished the yellow layer, we finished the second layer line, and we finished the white layer. Now we have only this line with different colorful colors. So what is our aim? Is to match that line. Now sometimes we'll have different colors in this line. Sometimes two colors will be like here, two colors will be here, two colors will be like green, blue, like that. Many colors that like that cases will come. So that time you have to go directly to the clockwise and anti-clockwise formula. But now I got it like this colorful. So I got only two cubes like that. So I'll match that green two cubes with green. I matched it and I'll keep it towards my back and I'll do the corner formula. After doing the formula, look what outcome will come. So that formula is R inverse F, R inverse back, right, F inverse R inverse back, right. Okay, up. Now, what happened is like we got two colors, right? Sometimes directly after doing the yellow, it may come. Sometimes it will come as the before case. So now we got it like this. Now what the corner cubes? Now the center cubes are like not matched with their colors. This should go here and this should go here. And this is fully solved. Now I'll keep the fully solved thing back side and I'll do the clockwise formula because this should go here and this should go here, right? It's in clockwise. According to you, what is there, you have to do that formula. So I'll do the clockwise formula. So I'll do FF U L R inverse FF L inverse R U FF. Now we completed the whole cube. Congratulations on doing it. Thank you for watching.